Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing old strings quickly to prevent frame warp. Use pliers and cut the strings at 4 evenly spaced points, then pull them out. Once done, inspect the frame for hairline cracks and confirm the head size and the manufacturer's tension range so you know how tight to go. Set up your stringing clamp and an awl nearby. They make weaving and holding progress much easier. Make sure to measure about 10 to 12 meters of new string. Too short ruins the job, so you're ready to start the main weave. You now string the main verticals. Feed the string through the center 2 holes and pull equal lengths to both sides, alternating sides as you go to keep balance. Use your tensioner to apply the same tension to every main. Once you reach a pair, clamp them so they don't slip. After all mains are done, begin weaving the crosses. Go over and under consistently to preserve string pattern integrity. Leave the last 2 crosses unclamped briefly so you can tweak final tension. This prevents uneven stress on the frame and keeps playability. You finish by tying firm knots at the recommended anchor points. Use a double knot and trim the tails to about 5 to 8 millimeters so they won't snag. Once tied, inspect tension across several balanced points with your hand or a tension meter and do a short play test to detect dead spots or harshness. If you notice buzzing or slight frame twist, loosen the last 2 crosses, rebalance tension incrementally, and reclamp. This often corrects uneven stress. Make sure everything sits flush before you head to the court.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.